Welcome to this video on eSIM technology. We will explore what an eSIM is, how it works, its key benefits, and the simple steps to activate it on your device. The technology behind our mobile connections is evolving. We are moving away from traditional, removable plastic SIM cards toward a digital, embedded chip solution. eSIM stands for Embedded SIM. With this technology, your mobile plan information is stored digitally on your phone, eliminating the need to insert a physical card. The embedded chip is fully rewritable. You simply scan a QR code provided by your carrier, and your phone automatically downloads the necessary profile to connect to the network. One major advantage is versatility. A single phone can hold up to 8 different profiles, and you can keep 2 of them active at the same time. eSIMs make international travel much easier. You can purchase local data plans online and activate them before you even land at your destination, keeping you connected seamlessly. Removing the physical SIM tray allows for better hardware design. This can lead to larger battery capacity, improved water and dust resistance, and better security against theft. This table highlights the differences between a traditional physical SIM and an eSIM, including improved security and the convenience of multiple stored profiles. It is important to understand the limitations. You cannot manually swap an eSIM between devices. You will need to coordinate with your carrier to transfer your profile. eSIM support is now standard in most new devices. Most smartphones released from 2018 onwards, as well as many tablets and smartwatches, include this feature. To check if your phone is ready for an eSIM, you can dial *#06# to instantly view your device information and check for an EID number. Major local carriers such as Jio, Airtel, and VI now support eSIMs. You can easily request an upgrade to an eSIM through their official mobile apps. Activating your eSIM is a 2-step process. First, open your carrier's app to request your eSIM activation code. Step 2 is to scan and connect. Go into your device settings, select mobile data, and use your camera to scan the QR code to finish the connection. Are you ready to embrace the future of mobile connectivity? We encourage you to check your device and consider switching to an eSIM today.